Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Today we are doing another Boxycharm unboxing slash try on. I have been doing these videos for months, years actually, and I really enjoy them, and I know you guys enjoy them too. So today we are going to be trying out every single thing that we got in our Boxycharm. Obviously, I already have all the products on my skin, and yeah, we're just going to jump right into this video. If you guys want to get ready with me, grab your palettes, grab your little brushes, and let's get started with this October Boxycharm try on. First item that I'm actually going to be testing out is the iconic London Prep Set and Glow Water Mist Spray. Now this one, let's see here, it retails for $29. Like I said, it is a Prep Set and Glow. It's a hydrating mist that refreshes with light reflecting properties that leave the skin with iconic glow. Now, when I am going to be inserting clips of me applying this to the skin, I only applied it to the outer perimeters of my skin because I am oily, and I have a feeling that this is going to make me oily because it gives you a glow. With that said, I had to switch the little nozzle spray because the spray that it came with is horrible. Make sure that you guys are always testing them out before you spray your face, because that for sure, if I would have been wearing a full face, it would have destroyed my makeup. So I did have to just switch the little spray nozzle thing, but make sure you check yours before. The second product that I will be testing out is the Mellow Tinted Brow Gel. My shade is dark brown, which is actually a pretty good match to me. It says achieve effortlessly tamed and tinted brows with Mellow's Tinted Brow Gel, a lightweight, non-sticky gel formula with a mini brush applicator that allows you to finish and maintain a perfectly groomed eyebrow with no mess. This retails for $16. I actually really enjoyed the little wand or the little brush that it came with. I usually use the CoverGirl ones, but I like this one. I like that it's not too dark. I like that it didn't add too much tint to the brows. It just gives it the perfect little touch. Next up, we're going to go in with probably the product that I'm mostly excited for, which is the Dose of Colors eyeshadow palette. This is a 5-pan matte eyeshadow palette with a mixture of shades. This is a great palette to add boldness and vibrance to your eyes. This retails for $32, and it does come with a little brush. I got the Sassy Siennas. I know that a few different people either got this one or the I Love Sadae palettes with Dose of Colors. I really wanted that palette, but I'm really happy that I got this one because I also wanted this one. I have the other palette, the browns or something like that, and the formula is amazing, so I know I'm going to love this palette. I have already prepped my eyes, so I'm going to go in with the darkest shade, which is called, I'm pretty sure it's Stay Sassy. I always confuse the names on the back with the front, but I'm just gonna take a wild guess and say that it is that one. So I'm gonna take the darkest shade with that brush that it came with, and I'm actually just going to lay this down. Wow, do you guys see the pigment on that? That is pigmented. I actually really enjoy these little brushes because they are so small. They allow for like precision, so you can really apply it on the eyes. Next, I'm going to pick up this shade, which is, oh, I love shades like this. I think this is the shade Brassy. I hope I'm not saying this right, but I mean saying this wrong, but you guys know what I mean. It's just a deep like terracotta camel color, and I am going to use my little Morphe M507, and I'm just going to apply this right on top of that brown to help me blend. Just right here. I would love to know what palette you guys received in your box because I saw this video. I don't remember the name of the girl, but it was like this spoiler video where it talks about like what products we were getting in this month's box. And these spoilers that she mentioned, all of them looked good. I feel like I got a okay box. I am mostly excited for this. Don't really care for the brow tint, the mascara, or the eyeliner. But I'm glad I got this one because I actually really wanted to try it out. But yeah, let me know, you guys, because I am curious to see what box you got. And obviously let me know if you loved the box or if you were like, meh. That color is so pretty. Next up, we're going to go in with the third shade. So we're just going in order, like going backwards. So we're going to go in with Foxy. And I hope this isn't too deep of a color. Let me try it out first. I think this actually should work. Oh my god, this color is absolutely stunning, you guys. I am already in love with this palette. Like, I already knew I was going to like it because I already have one of these. And again, the formulation is amazing. Oh my god, I live for colors like this. And it goes with like my cheetah shirt. Okay, so I went ahead and cut my crease off camera because you guys have seen me do it a million times. I am going to go in with both of these shades. I'm going to take Bossy and Oh So Sassy. And I'm just going to do kind of like a gradient effect. Oh wow, this is a stunning color. Then I'm going to go with that lighter peach, and we're going to add it to the inner corners. I mean, once you see it, you can't tell the difference between the two, but it's pretty. Actually, we have this Hollywood and Vine Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner. Let me see how much this one retails for. So this retails for $7, and its rich intensity of Velvety Touch Smooth Kohl eyeliner will make your eyes, or will add drama to your eyes or to any desired look. Excuse me. Wow. Okay, that is pretty creamy. So you guys know that I'm not a big fan of black eyeliners, but we're just going to use it for the sake of the video. And wow, that is very creamy. Okay. Usually pencils that are like a wooden pencil, especially the black ones, not very creamy, but this one is, yeah, very velvety. Now, let me apply the mascara really quick before we actually, before I step out and apply my lashes and eyeliner. This is the Hank and Henry Slick With It Mascara Duo. Slick With It Mascara will have you feeling like you have a major clout. This vegan mascara is not only waterproof, but it does not flake or transfer. The Duo One applicator is designed to work with our formula for adding volume and length to your top lashes, while the other is thin and designed to easily add mascara to your lower lashes. Ooh, okay, wow, I'm already seeing quite a difference on my lashes, and I don't have long lashes at all. I'm going to go ahead and now pop on my falsies and to finish off the face, and then we can come back and try the lower lash line to see if we get good results. I'm going to finish off the face. I added eyeliner, and then I also added lashes, and then for my lip, ooh, I really like this lip combo. I am using the NYX Earth Tone Lip Liner. I am using the KKW One Peach Lipstick, and then I topped it off with the ColourPop Ultra Glossy Lip in the shade PS, which is just a peachy toned color. And I did use the mascara on the Hank and Henry little mascara thing, which is this wand, and oh my god, this mascara is really good. Like, I was hella skeptical. I didn't think I was going to like it because I'm usually not a fan of mascaras as it is, but wow, I mean, you guys can't see them, but my lashes look really long. Anyway, so what are, actually, before I say any of that, I'm going back with the little Iconic London spray, and I'm again just going to spray the outer perimeters of the skin. I just added the total for you guys. The total for the October box is $103, which is obviously still good. You're only paying $21. Now, my favorite things from this box, I already said it, but just as a recap, is the Iconic London Prep and Set Glow Spray and the Sassy Sienna eyeshadow palette, and I'm even gonna throw this in here, but I really like this mascara. I really like how long my lower lashes look. They're super separated. I do really like the eyeliner, the one that we received, the Kohl eyeliner, wherever it is, this one right here. I do like it, but it's just like I would have preferred to get something else. So that is it from you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this October Boxycharm unboxing / try on. If you guys do recreate this look, please leave me your pictures or send them to me through my DMs on Instagram, through my Snapchat, and what else? I don't really use Twitter, but Instagram and Snapchat are my main socials. So thank you guys so much for joining me. Again, let me know in the comment section down below what was your favorite products and what was your box. Did you like it? Did you not? That is it for me. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye.